Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Who you think so?
Not, it's just an honest answer. I'm not scared to say that because
Correct.
India never, not India means I'm not saying the central government, Tamil Nadu governments didn't understood what is the real problem there. Because it is so much difference in Sri Lanka. See, there are in Tamils, two different ways of Tamils there. Thousands of years north, they fought the war. Right? So thousands of years before, they also from India only, nowhere else. They also come from South India and else. So even the Sinhalese, in history if you go, they are from Bihar.
Correct.
They are not from...
Trace back their roots.
Yes, because Buddhism came from, Lumbini. The Buddha is born in Lumbini, in Nepal. And what do you call this? Buddhism is, he became Lord Buddha in Bihar, right? Buddhagaya. So the people who, that time, the Prince Ashok only took the Buddhism to Sri Lanka. So it is all connected so much. But the differences, the modern world, politically it's divided. So then they say, my grandfather is from India, Tamil Nadu, right? Tamil Nadu, 1920s went for tea plantations. Britishers took forcefully, he has to go, right? So that's why our generation in Sri Lanka. So we all grew in central of hill country, right? So we are from we call Indian origin Tamils. They call Sri Lankan Tamils. When they speak, the slang is different. Way they speak different, same language, but it's a
Slight difference in...
not slight. It's quietly you'll understand what they say.